Hello everyone, my name is Sean, and today I'm going to show you how to install Metasploit on Ubuntu. Metasploit is a penetration testing suite. Penetration testing is just basically a set of tools that allow you to make sure that your security is up to par. Not only yours, maybe your clients, but also this can be used for educational purposes. With these tools, you can learn how network-based attacks and application-based attacks work, as well as the exploits, and how to prevent them from exploiting your network. So, I've already downloaded the Metasploit software, but the Metasploit software is available by downloading it off of Metasploit.com. And if you just go over here to the free download, there's two versions. There's the free download. Okay, there is the vulnerability scanner. You can also download that too. That's free. You also have a pro version. That's more on the professional scale. So, as a beginner or someone who's just doing this at home, the Metasploit Community Edition or the free edition is what I've used, and that's where I began, and that's where I'm still practicing and still using my tools against networks that I do penetration testing on. So now that I've already downloaded this, we'll just have to do a few commands in the terminal. Okay. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up a terminal window. You'll notice that I'm not just double clicking on the software. If we were to double click this and try to install it, you'll see that it's not an executable file. Okay, so first thing we gotta do is go to the directory that the software has been downloaded, and we got to do a chmod plus X, then the Metasploit software, okay, and verify that that's been done. Okay, you'll notice that it's been done when you see the X for execute, turning this into an executable. Now, once this has been done, okay, we run the installer from the terminal, sudo /Metasploit. Now, before I continue, if you're wondering what chmod is for, chmod is basically a command to change and modify the attributes of the file, the read, write, execute privileges. So, for instance, if I want to add execute, it's chmod plus X. If I want to read, chmod plus R. You can also use a numbered version. If you were to if you just search Google chmod, you'll see all the different types of ways you can do it. There's two ways. There's either the letters or numbers. Okay, so we're going to continue here. Accept the licensing, forward, leave the default folder. You want to install it as a service. This is totally up to you. I don't really like things starting up that don't need to start up, but again, that's all up to you. So I want to select no. No. You can leave it the default SSL port. That's a local SSL port, so you won't have to do any port forwarding, or this isn't a remote system. You can leave the server name and everything the same. And then now you're ready to install. You can hit forward. Now the installation is pretty quick. However, there is a part of the installation where it needs to create some SQL databases. Metasploit does require the SQL stack. So basically, that's about the longest part of the installation. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for this to install, and then I'll continue the video once once the process is complete. Hello everyone. Okay, so now the process is complete. My installation is done. So once the installation is complete, what you didn't see on screen was that it actually says that it's done. Do you want to access the web-based application? Okay, because Metasploit again has two sides to it. It has a web-based application, which is very limited in the community edition, and it has a terminal-based application where 99% of your functions are going to occur. That's where almost all of the scripts and everything are located. So here's the web-based application. Okay. Now from here, just before this, it asks for some basic information. Okay. It will ask for your like a username. It asks for a username, a password, and then once that's done, you can get a product key. Just click get product key. It'll ask for your email address, send you an email, and away you go. So I've created an account, test123. Okay. And then this is the page that it asks for. So there you go. Okay, I'm not going to go over the web-based application because all it really gives you is some network scanning tools and stuff like that. I tend to go over that in another video. Now I'm going to try to do a Metasploit series on how to do certain tasks in Metasploit. We're going to cover the web-based app, we're going to cover the terminal, so come back for that. That should be fun and interesting. Okay, so now to launch your application in the terminal, we're just going to go to the terminal. Okay, and simply just type in sudo msf console. Okay, now you wait about 30 seconds or so. One thing that's always cool is you always get this ASCII art, which is kind of cool. Okay. And now I'm just going to show you like a basic command on Metasploit. For instance, if I want to know, let's say I want to attack, I want to do an attack based on ARP, the ARP protocol. Let's see what attacks I have at my disposal. What like from the exploits or the payload or the auxiliary modules here, right? So we're going to do search ARP, and here we go. Now these are all attacks, scanners, and spoofs, everything related to ARP. So for instance, like you got this would be information gathering gathering information about your network that you're about to attack. You're going to see their ARP entries there. And that's it. So that's how to install the Metasploit application on Ubuntu. Very simple, and it's a very powerful tool. It's a great tool to have knowledge in, and a great tool to have at your disposal. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them on my channel, and you can also visit my blog. That's seanmancini.com. And of course, any subjects that you would like me to cover, please do make sure to leave it on my channel. So just click like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a good day.